Welcome back, CNC fans. This is Codes and Coffee here. Today we have another vlog for you. We're going to show you how to restore your headlights permanently with 5 household items, and all in less than 10 minutes. Alrighty, so grab yourself a pen and paper and jot down the 5 items that you will need. 1, some paper towels. 2, a can of clear coat. 3, a spray water bottle. 4, you can either use painter's tape, masking tape, or duct tape will work. And 5, just find yourself a power drill with a 3000 grit sanding wheel. And we're going to go ahead and show you how to do it here. And this is Mike getting on with it.
Oh, working much better. I can feel it, man. It's biting into it. Look at the slurry. See that slurry? We can look. Oh.
Alright, so in the intro, we had a 2008 Honda Civic. This one is a 2004. And it's just showing you that it doesn't really matter the year. Let's just get on with it.
Round number 2. Battery's dying out. You can feel it. Come on, battery. Come on, man. I know you can do it. Perfect timing. I'm happy. No.
Alright, another thing to keep in mind is with your drill, you want to use at least 2 or 3 batteries. We used about 3. You'll need about 1.5 per headlight.
Okay, happy there. You happy, Mikey? I'm happy. Looking good. Bottom 2. Bottom 2.
Alright, so in our shop, obviously we have access to a air hose. That's okay if you don't at your house or your garage. Just simply grab yourself a can of the Dustbuster that you would use for your keyboards on either your laptops or your personal computers. That'll work just as good.
Couple of paper rags. Continue grinding. I'm 100% sure that it is dry. See, it's still in line there. Sandpaper here. Let's try it one more time. I see a line there. Not happy with it. Sorry. Continue with the battle here. I dried it, I thought. I'm still taking out more material, we can see. I say, my eyes are pretty happy now. Okay, let's try it. 1, 2.
Nice and smooth, you don't feel any rough edges?
No. Feels good. Good layer here. Shake it, boys. Shake it, shake it, shake it good. Come on, shake it. The head's not there, so it's good. Ready, I'm ready. Nice white coat, okay? Now I can go back here. This is already dry. Let's get a little bit heavy on the coats. It's intoxicating. You don't feel like stopping.
That's good.
I feel like spraying it more. I can't stop myself. I just feel like no, you need to know when to stop, otherwise it's gonna start running all over the place. It'll look like an idiot. So wait a little bit. Third, final coat, why not, right? We're making an improvement. Good.
Alright guys, there you go. Hope you learned a thing or two. Hope you enjoyed my vlog. One more last tip. If you're going to do this with your hood closed, around the edges here, by the fenders and on top of the hood and the bumper, you might want to put some newspaper, just so the clear coat, if it's going to be your first or second time spraying some clear coat on these front headlights, if you don't want to get overspray on your vehicle, then the newspaper will definitely help. As always, thanks. Thank you for all the new subscribers to my channel. Drop a like, leave some comments below. Let me know if there's anything else you would like me to go ahead and upload. And like always, on to the next.